Good evening, friends. Wishing you a very happy Independence Day. On the occasion of this 74th Independence Day, I would like to read out to you some words from a forgotten hero, from Pandit Ram Prasad Bismil's autobiography. Bismil wrote this autobiography while spending his last few days waiting for his death sentence to be carried out in Gorakhpur jail. Bismil writes, "Whatever I have done all my life, I have done so in the best interest of my country. Even when I took care of my physical well-being, it was with the intent to use a strong body in the service of the nation. With great efforts, I have arrived to this occasion. This is a great fortune for this insignificant mortal body of an ordinary citizen of the United Province to be the first person to turn a martyr for the motherland since the revolution of 1857. The government wants to kill me with torture. Therefore, the date of appeal has been fixed on a date 3 months after this scorching summer. For 3 months, I am to suffer in this torturous death cell. This cell is worse than a small bird's cage. The death cell of Gorakhpur prison lies in the middle of a barren ground. There is not even a hint of shadow around. From morning 8 till 8 in the evening, the solitary cell smolders under the blazing sun. The heat further accentuated by a sandy earth. In the cell of 9 feet by 9 feet, there is a single exit, 6 feet high and 2 feet wide. To the rear end of the cell is a window, 2 feet long and a foot wide. Dining, bathing, and even toilet, everything is within this cell. The nights are full of mosquitoes. It is hard to get to sleep for 3 or 4 hours. Often have to survive with only a couple of hours in sleep. Food is served in earthen pots. There are 2 blankets, one as bedspread and another as a wrap. This is a life of great sacrifice. All the tools of an ascetic's life are available here. Every moment offers a lesson. Be prepared for the end. Immerse yourself in the prayer of the Almighty. I am enjoying my life in this cell. I always wanted to spend some time as an ascetic sage and practice some yoga. It seems to me that my lifelong wish is now being fulfilled in the final act of my life. I did not get the ascetic's cave, but I got myself a prayer cell instead. In this cell, I got the opportunity to pen these last thoughts and dedicate them to my countrymen. Hopefully, some souls will find their answers in the story of my life. With great difficulty, I have landed this great fortune. महसूस तो हो रहे हैं बादे फना के झोंके, खुलने लगे हैं मुझ पे असरार जिंदगी के. बारे अलम उठाए रंगे निशात देखा, बारे अलम उठाए रंगे निशात देखा, आए नहीं हैं यूं ही अंदाज बेहिसी के. The morning breeze gently embraces me as life opens its deepest secrets to me. I have carried this heavy flag too far. I have seen heavenly pleasures. It's not without efforts that I have reached this tranquil state of enlightenment." The revolutionary Ram Prasad Bismil's autobiography from the death row is available on Amazon. Wishing you a very happy Independence Day, friends. Remember Bismil. Remember our heroes.